Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Munich, and today we're going to see how to insert a column chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a column chart in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to select the entire data that you just need to insert as a column chart. Then you just need to click on the arrow section first and just change this option to insert option. And in the insert option, you scroll down, you will see an option called chart. Click on this. And in the first portion, you will see an option called column. And here you can see a total of a lot of different styles of columns. You can this is a normal column chart, and this is another type. This is a 3D style, and this is a 3D style in different angles. So you can just click any chart that you just need to insert as a column chart, and you can just place the chart here. And if you just want to change it, you will see an option called chart. Click on the type option, and here you can just change directly. And also you can have the more customization option. You can just double tap here and you can just change this. And also you will see a layout option. You can just change the layout like this. You can see in this have a lot of layout like this. Also you can just change this simply. And you can also add the elements if you just need it for about lower key. If you just need it, it's in the premium version. And also you have an option to change the color option. So you can see it's switching to the different colors, and also there's have a multiple range. This is how you can also switch the rows and columns, and also you can just change the size. Everything has customization. This is how you just insert a column chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Munich. Have a wonderful day.